In this video, we're going to show you how to use two WhatsApp accounts on your laptop. First, let's download the WhatsApp application. Open Google Chrome and type WhatsApp for laptop in the search box, then press enter. Click on the first link that appears, which should say Download WhatsApp for iOS, Mac, and PC. On the page that opens, click on the download button at the top right corner and wait for the application to download on your PC. Once downloaded, open the WhatsApp application. You'll need to link your device by scanning the QR code with your phone. Once done, you'll be able to use WhatsApp on your laptop. To use a second WhatsApp account, open your Google Chrome browser again and go to web.whatsapp.com. Scan the QR code from your mobile phone to link your device. Now you can use two WhatsApp accounts on your laptop. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos.